Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we are going to make an amazing marrow cake, for which we need 5 marrows, 3 eggs, tomato, mayonnaise, and of course some salt and other ingredients such as black pepper, red pepper, and so on. For the beginning, we need to grate those marrows and add some salt into that and squeeze so that the whole water in marrows is totally separated from it. After, add 3 eggs to this mixture of to the grated marrows, and whenever the 3 eggs are already added to the marrows, you will be adding 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of red pepper, half or a little bit more, and flour, which is 2 tablespoons. Go on and mix properly all of those ingredients together. Here it is. This is nearly ready. Mix it properly. You can add some parsley, some greens, either fresh or dried one, and mix it again. And after the mixture is ready, add some olive oil into the pan, turn on the gas, and you are going to make some rounds from this mixture. Add as much as you need for the whole one, for the round one, let's say, so that you will at the end get the appearance, the look as you see in the video. And wait a little bit until the one side is done. Turn it so that both sides are done, are cooked. And here it is, one is ready. All we need to do now is going on and cutting down the tomato into rounds. This is mostly for some design things, so go on and cut it down as well. And all we need now is to put the one layer, make some cover it with some mayonnaise, and add some tomatoes onto the top of those mayonnaise, as you see in the video. We are going to repeat this step for all of the other layers of these marrows. You're cooking one, putting it there, and then repeating it as much as you have some marrows done and prepared. Here it is. Nearly ready. When you are on the top, add again some mayonnaise. Make sure all of the sides are covered with that. And you will be nearly ready to add the last part, the tomatoes again. And whenever ready, you can just design it with anything you want, and it will be ready to be tasted. We hope you've liked it. Good appetite!